we can add fractions by making sure that they have the same denominator. So what do? We multiply the first top and bottom by 3 and the second top and bottom by 5. 3x plus 5x makes for 8x, and we leave the denominator as it is. Again, we multiply the first top and bottom by 4 and the second top and bottom by 5. 12x minus 5x makes for 7x, and we leave the denominator as it is. And again, we multiply the first by y and the second by x. 2y plus 3x cannot be simplified any further, and we leave the denominator xy. Again, we multiply the first by 3b and the second one by 2a. 3b plus 10a cannot be simplified any further, and we leave the denominator 12ab. We multiply the first by 4 and the second by 5. 4x plus 4 plus 5x plus 10 is simplified to 9x plus 14, and we leave the denominator 20. In this example, we treat x plus 2 as a fraction out of 1. We multiply only the first fraction by 5, and we simplify, leaving the denominator as 5. The two short sides of a right angle triangle are 3x over 8 and x over 2. Using Pythagoras, find the length of the hypotenuse. To find the hypotenuse, we take the square root of the sum of the squares. The square of 3x over 8 is 9x squared over 64, and the square of x over 2 is x squared over 4. Multiplying top and bottom of the second fraction by 16, we can easily add the fractions. The square root of 25x squared over 64 is 5x over 8, the length of our hypotenuse. That's it for this section. Want more practice to make these skills second nature? The full course is awaiting for you. Find the link below in the description. Inside you will find videos with extra time for you to practice, along with a dedicated PDF workbook for every single skill. Click the link and start practicing